Good morning, everyone. Not showered yet. Had a couple of coffees and some toast. Maddie's getting changed. We just ordered a little treat. Taking a shower in a bit. We're going to go to Magic Kingdom. But we're not going till later because we want to go basically for the fireworks. We're not going for rides and stuff. We're going for the fireworks because I haven't seen them yet. But we did this little treat, I'll show you. Very cute. Pretty box from Crispy. We'll show you what they look like. Pretty are they? They come as is. Not apologizing anymore for anything I do either. Or the way my house looks or anything. It is what it is. I've started worrying again way too much what people think. And that has to stop because it is me, unfortunately, but I don't want it to be me. I want to be unapologetically me, and that's what I'm planning to try and do. I say try. Oh, see, I was about to apologize for the mess, but I'm not. Here, we'll just go like that. Bye. I could just go to bed for a nap. It's 2:05. We're going to leave here around 4:30. That way, just beach. Oh my God, I'm getting my jowls. Only on one side, though. Oh, that dot. It doesn't look good. Oh, wow. I've got to stop. Stop looking at that. Yeah, we're going to head out around 4:30 to try and miss traffic. Maddie's having a little nap now. Luna's having a nap. Ashley's putting the makeup on. It is a warm 90. The sun is shining. I'm looking forward to it. I haven't seen the fireworks, probably haven't seen the fireworks except on Ashley's vlog, when Ashley and that lot went and she filmed it. I saw it then, obviously, but I haven't seen it in person in 30 odd years. So that'll be fun anyway. But yeah, we'll definitely touch base. I'm just really tired at the minute, so just chilling with my granddaughter who's fast asleep. I'm watching some vlogs. Time to get changed and get going. It's 4. Almost 4. Just had Luna out. It is hot. But when we get there, we'll be sitting in shade, and you get caught up in all the glory of everything that's going on, don't you? So, yeah. Okay, my jowl is there still, but now I got one on both sides. I guess it depends on the light. I guess that's just not good lighting in there. Anyway, that just made me laugh when I saw that. I'm like, blimey, that is quite deep. And you can't even call it a laugh line. So I'm sure Avon's got some cream for it. We'll have to sort that out. I'll have to call them up. Excuse me, what's good for deep jowl lines? Let's stop that coming. Anyway, it doesn't matter. None of it matters. It's all superficial. I'm going to enjoy tonight. I'm a bit sore, to be fair, but I will be holding on to the stroller anyway. But Ashley goes, well, we don't have to go, but if we don't go, then I won't go. Do you know what I mean? It'll be like, well, we'll go tomorrow. No, we won't go tomorrow. Tomorrow's that launch with the crew, the one that they were going to do a couple of weeks ago. So hopefully tomorrow the weather will stay good. Otherwise, I'd have said, well, we'll go tomorrow instead. But there again, Friday, I think, will be more busy. I think any night's busy. It doesn't matter. It's on 7 days a week, so we're never going to miss it. But I just kind of want to stick to what I said I was going to do, because I get annoyed at myself, because then tonight I'd be like, oh, we could be there watching them. We were actually watching somebody's live stream last night that was there, and I'm like, oh, I just thought so excited. She goes, we'll be there tomorrow. But I'm going to put a t-shirt on and leggings just to go, or I've got some lightweight trousers. Because once the sun goes down and whatnot, whoopsie, that will be fine. But not that you guys even need to know what I'm wearing. It doesn't matter. But yeah, we will get some more of their popcorn. On Main Street, they have that little store. Well, actually, it's not a little store, it's a big store. And they had that popcorn that we got the last time. And unfortunately, we left it out and some ants got into it. So that was the end of that. So this time, we will not be leaving it anywhere the little ants can get into. They're annoying, aren't they? I think they said they call them sugar ants. I was on the Facebook page for... It wasn't Brits in Florida, it was just people moving to Florida, and someone said, how can I get rid of them? And there were a lot of sarcastic comments, and then there were a lot of comments that were quite helpful, because I didn't even know what they were called, but There is also an anthill, a red anthill.
16 hours.
The day my furniture and stuff all arrived, was helping the guys back up the truck. Remember I said, and I stood on an anthill and I got bitten all over my left foot. Well, I still have the scars on that said foot. And when I went out to get the mail yesterday, it's all around the mailbox. You could see the ants. There was thousands of them all coming up. There was like all holes in the anthill, and they were just all over the place. Ants are bad around here, outside. We've been pretty lucky on the inside. Anyway, instead of waffling, I'm going to go get myself changed and sorted and make sure I've got what I need. I'm not going to take my handbag because whenever we go through, I always take the pushchair through, so I go one way and then Ashley always carries my bag through with her bag. Doesn't matter, it always rings and Ash has to go and get searched and I always feel guilty. So I don't know what's in there. The last time a guy told us, take this out, because it's a woman, it's probably that. So we took that out this time and it still rang when we went to Disney Springs. And it happened to be a young guy from New York. And I'm like, I'm going to stop bringing my bag. And he goes, oh, it gives us something to do. But yeah, I don't know what's ringing. Anyway, we'll talk to you in a bit. We'll definitely video along. We are getting close. Should we just do it on yours then? Just show your pass.
My phone's in. Oh, my phone's right here, yeah.
We're here at Disney. Say bye, monorail. We'll take the next one. Maddie. Hi. Hi, you look so shocked. Hi. Why am I here again? There we go. Oh, here comes the next one. Here it comes, Madison. Here it comes. I've just got a right boat, see if he waves. We're here. So we're here, guys. It's absolutely beautiful in the shade. Maddie, where are you? Where are you, buddy? See, because I'm out and I'm looking around and this is fun.
I'm gonna put her.
Okay, guys, this is living. Just
Now she's putting her sock in her mouth.
but we're just gonna sit here and wait for the fireworks, even though we got 2.5 hours, or 2 hours and 10 minutes. But hi, Ash.
Hi.
Maddie has lost all interest. Go ahead.
Right now, we only took order and
Yeah. and that's why as soon as I saw her attention, I go, is she okay?
We are. We're gonna go this way.
Yeah.
This place is good if you like top lights. Casey's corner, you gotta film on.
This is when preferred parking, guys, is worth it, and you pay $20 because you got the pass. And Ashley just started her car where we were parked.
Front row again.
Front row. But we're on our way home. I'm going to end the vlog here, guys, because it's already 11:15. By the time we get home, I have to take Luna out.
I'll be getting Maddie ready.
Maddie be getting ready for bed. You want
This is midnight on the dot.
it? Oh, that we get home.
Yeah.
So we're going to get home at
Oh,
midnight.
no. Now it changed 12:03.
12:03. It's 11:15. So not too many going out right now, so that's good. But anyway, we're going to love and leave you for this evening. We'll fill you in on more. We had a bit of a with some people, didn't we? But it
I was
didn't.
about to fight someone
Was she?
because they were getting too close to my daughter.
Yeah. I'm going to go because I don't have my seatbelt on yet.
Oh, yeah.
And there's people walking behind us now. So hope you've all had a brilliant day. Whatever it is you did today, we hope it was a good one. And we'll definitely see you tomorrow. Take care, guys. Stay safe. And if you haven't, please subscribe. We love you. From Walt Disney, over and out. Oh, it was to, oh wait, might get it here. There's Epcot. There was Epcot. Stay tuned, yeah, for the next.